Hello everyone, my name is Jutin and welcome. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to count in Haitian Creole, and then we're gonna find an exercise to practice the content of this lesson. Allons commencer. Counting in Haitian Creole is not difficult, but when it comes to how to write some numbers and letters, many people have different ideas. In this lesson, I bring to you a comprehensive way to do it. From 0 to 19, they must be learned by heart. They are 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay. Day, as you know, I write it with an H because there's another day in the Haitian Creole language. This day is like a preposition, which means sometimes of, okay? So in order to avoid this, like when you are a learner learning the language, you can make this confusion, okay? So in order to avoid this, I teach you this, like when you want to write day in letters alone, you have to write it like this, okay? D-A-H, okay? Deux, trois, quatre, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, c'est 17, 17. But some people say 17, okay? It's okay. 17, but you have to, I advise you to write 17, okay? 17, 18, okay? 10 plus 8, okay? 18. 17, 18, or some people say 18, 18, okay? 19, okay? 17, 18, 19. 17, 18, 19, okay? In spoken Haitian Creole, they say 19, 19, but you write 19, 19, but they pronounce 19, okay? One more time, 0, 1, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, okay? 19, okay? From 0 to 19, they must be learned by heart, okay? Now let's move on. Okay, from 20 to infinite. From 20 to infinite, okay? From 20 to infinite, we do it this way, okay? 20, 20 is 20. 20, 20 is 20. Okay, 20 is 20. Okay, 20 is 20. 20, okay, 20. Okay, to add the 1, we say te. 21, okay? 21, okay? 20, 21, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, okay? You go like this, you add the other letters to it. Now, day is not alone. You just need to add day like without H right now, okay? You go like this, okay? 20, 21, 20, 21, 22, 23, okay? You go like this as follow. 30, okay? 30, 31, okay? 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, okay? As follow. 40, okay? 40, 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, okay? As follow. You do it this way. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, okay? 50, okay? 50, 51, 51, 51, 50, 51, 51, okay? Here we say 30, okay? Con two T's. 31, but we say 41, 41, 40, we say 41. We don't say 41, we say 41. We don't say 50, we say 51. 51, okay? 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, ok, 55, ok, 55, okay, 55, you just add 50, then you add the other numbers, okay, 50, 51, 52, 53, okay, okay, and then we have 60, okay, 60, 60, 61, okay, for A1, you just need to add one T, 61, 61, 62, okay, and 62, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, ok, ok, 70, ok, 60, 10, 60, 10, ok, 60, 10, ok, 60, 10, ok, 60, 10, 60, 11, okay, to avoid this, like we add something here, okay, 60, 11, so that you can know that you have to put down 60 and then 11, 60, 11, 60, 12, 60, 13, okay, 60, 14, 60, 15, 60, 16, 60, 17, okay, 60, 18, 60, 19, okay, 61, 62, okay, you go as follow, and then we have 60, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, okay, and then we have 80, okay, we can't say 80, but we add this little slash here to make it 81, okay, 81, 81. But as for 82, you don't need to add this little slash, okay, you just say 82, 82, okay, just one word, 82, okay, 82, 82, okay, 82, 80, 80 plus 2, okay, 82, 83, 84, 85, okay, you go this way. And then we have 90. 90 is 90, 90, 91, okay, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, okay, 100, that's 100. 100 is 100, 100, 101, okay, 101, that's how to write 101, and then we have 102, okay, 102, 102, okay, 102, write it this way, 102, okay, sans problème, 102, and then 103, okay, what with 101, we have to add this little slash here, okay, we have to add this with 101, but with 102, there is no need to add it, okay, with 102, there is no need to add it, 102, 103, 104, 105, and you go as follow, okay, yeah, okay, we have 200, 201, 201, we also added 201, okay, to avoid descending, okay, we have 201, 202, 203, 204, okay, as follow, and then we have 300, 301, okay, you see it, 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, okay, you go as follow, and then we move on to 400, 401, 401, okay, remember always with 1 there is this, you have to add this little slash here, 400, 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, okay, 500, 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, okay, and then we have 600, 600, 600, 601, 602, 603, 604, 605, 606, 607, okay? We have 700, 701, okay? Always remember this, 700, 701, 800, 801, okay? 800, 801, 802, 803, 804, okay? And then you go as follow, and then we have a 900, 901, 902, 903, 904, 905, 906, okay? Okay, that's the way you do it. And then we have 1000. 1000 is 1000 or 1000. 1000, okay, 1000, 1001, okay, 1001. 1001, 1001, okay, 1001, 1002, 1003, okay, 1001. You have to write 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, okay. Now we have 1200, 1200, 1200, 1201, okay. Always remember with 1, it may be that we have this little slash here, 1002, 1202, okay, 1000, okay, 1000, 1000, okay, 1200, okay, 200, 1200, 1200, okay, 1200, 1200, okay, 1300, 1301, 1600, 1700, okay, 1800, okay. That's how we make it, okay, 1900, 2000, okay, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2010, okay, that's how we add the other numbers, 3000, okay, and we go 4000, 5000, 6000, okay, 7000, 8000, 9000, 10000, 10000, okay, 11000, 11000. You can write it like this, okay, with this little space here, 10000, okay, or you can write it like this too, okay, 11000. Some people add a dot here, 11000, okay, so it depends on you, 11000. But it's better to write it like with this space instead, okay, like the in 10,000, in 10,000, sorry, ok, 11,000, ok, 500,000, 500,000, ok, 1 million, 1 million, ok, c'est comme ça nous compter en Creole. That's how to count in Haitian Creole, okay. Now let's see these exercises. Read and write these numbers in Haitian Creole, okay. Key numbers are here, okay. Now we have read and write these numbers in Haitian Creole. Okay, which number is this? How to write this? Okay, ça c'est 22. 22, 22, okay, 22, 20, okay, 2, okay, we write 22, okay, this one is 30, okay, 30, 30, okay, 30, we write 30, 30, okay, 30, numéro 1, numéro 2, 30, numéro 4, c'est 41, 40, 41, okay, we add 41, 41, 41, 41, okay, 41, 30, 31, 40, 41, okay, that's how we do it. Here is, what is this number? It's 55 is 55, 50, okay, 50, okay, that's 50, and then 55, okay, that's how to write 55, 55 in Haitian Creole, 55. Now we have 63, 60, okay, 60, and then 3, 63, 63, okay, that's how we do it, 63. And then we have 340, que j'ai dit ça en créole, ok, 3 c'est 300, 300, ok, 300, and then 40, 340, 340, ok, 340, 340, 340, and then we have here, it's this, the, okay, descendre. That's how to write it in Haitian Creole, descendre. And then we have 501, 500, okay, 500, and then 1, 501. We can't write it like this, 501. It's not good. I have to add this little dot here, slash here, okay, 501. That's the best way to do it, 501. And then we have 700, okay, 724. Okay, 724, en créole haïtien, c'est 724, ok, 24, ok, 724, 724, 724, ok, 724. That's how to do it in Haitian Creole, 724, ok, 724, 724, 724, and then we have We have this 1901. Okay, 1901. How would you write this? Is 1901. 1900. Okay, 1900 and then 1. 1901. Okay, that's how to do it in Haitian Creole. 1901. 1901 and then we have 1804. 1804. Okay, how will 1800, 800, okay, 804, 1804, 1804, 1804, okay, and then we have 2000 is 2000 is 2000, okay, 2000, 2000, 2000, okay. Here we have 2024, 2024, okay, 2024, 2024, okay, 2024, 2024, and finally, and no, not finally, okay, 2024, okay, 2030, 2030, okay, 2030. That's how we have here. Okay, now how would you do this? How would you write this? Okay, okay, ça appelle c'est 7777, 77. Ok, 7777, 7777, 7777, ok guys? C'est comme ça vous comptez en créole, c'est comme ça vous écrit tout, ok? J'espère que vous avez apprécié le son. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so that you can receive more lessons on how to learn Haitian Creole.